Let's unbox the 3K resolution wired floodlight cameras. Multi-dimensional protection, 3K resolution, 360-degree pan tilt, 24/7 recording, 2000 lumens IP65, supports dual band Wi-Fi 6. What? Dual camera always on 360? Let's go! Floodlight Cam E340 unboxing. Boom! 24/7 live viewing and recording history, two-way audio, active zones, reduce false notification, lighting schedules and adjustable brightness, smart alarm, dual viewing. Let's go! Enjoy anywhere access with eufy security app, the eufy centralized security ecosystem. You got 360-degree complete surveillance, pan the lens horizontally 360 degrees to get a complete view without blind spots. Wow! Never miss a magical moment 24/7 from sunshine to nighttime, 24/7 recording. Video recording ensures every moment is captured. Subject lock and tracking. The on-device AI recognizes when a person is present, then locks and tracks and records the subject. Sweet! Fast and stable connectivity, low latency viewing of 3K details with dual band Wi-Fi 6. You got 2000 lumens brightness, motion activated floodlight illuminates large areas and records in full color even at night. Ready for any season, never miss a beat no matter the weather. With its IP65 weatherproof rating, you got your no monthly fees. Get access to every feature without a monthly fee. Local storage with a micro SD card. Just add a micro SD for up to 128GB of storage, not included. Dual cameras, multi-dimensional protection. You got the 2K telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom, f1.8 aperture. Then you got the wide angle lens, 135-degree field of view, and f1.6 aperture as well. Sweet, look at that. You got the 3K to view whatever matters clearly. See every detail in 3K resolution when live viewing or viewing recorded footage. 8x zoom shows details at a distance. See who's arriving from afar. With powerful 8x hybrid zoom, read license plates from 50 feet away. Sweet! Anchor! Oh yeah, let's go. Boom! Boom! Wow, look at that camera right there. Boom! Whoa! Wow! Gorgeous! Warning, bright light. Do not stare at light directly. Do not place any flammable material close to the light. Remove the light cover before use. Let's remove the light cover before use. Wow! You got your sensor over here. The sensor. Ooh, nice. Wow, everything is wrapped. Eufy security. Oh, you got the dual camera right there. Pet 1 Rocolata Plastica. Whoa, look at that smooth dual lens capability. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Oh yeah, it's got motion, it's got range, it's got 360-degree all around right there. And on this side, you got another light too. Let's open up this light right here. Bright light, watch out. Let's open up this light right here. So we got 2,000 lumens of brightness over here. Both the lights combine to give you 2,000 lumens. Boom, there we go. Got two lights. 1,000, 1,000. Together, 2,000 lumens of light. And back here is how you get the wiring. So there's a camera right there. Inside the box, you also got your scan during the setup to add camera. You got the USB cable, installation hook, screw packs, position stickers, warning stickers, quick start guide, all in here. So in here, let's see what else we get. Oh yeah, eufy security. Boom, protected by eufy security. Quick start guide, E340. Let's go! What's in the box? Everything you get. What you need screwdriver, USB power adapter, and a ladder, if necessary, not provided. At a glance, that's your camera. You have the floodlight right there. You got the speaker right in the top right there. So you got a speaker right there. That's your speaker. Then you got your motion sensor component right there. Motion sensor component. System indicator. Your light right there. Your system indicator. Your telephoto lens. There. We got your telephoto lens. You got your wide angle lens right there. Infrared component over there, down here, somewhere is your infrared component. Power input, sync button, micro SD slot is going to be back there. Pull this down right here, boom, take this out, and then you have access to what's inside right here. Your wiring and everything. Put it back in. Back here, you have your power, sync, and SD. Open this up and boom, there we go. Your power, your sync, and you have a slot for your SD up to 128GB of storage. Yeah, let's go. This is a beautiful camera with all your accessories right here. You have your USB cable, you have your hook, you have your hardware for mounting right here, and you have more hardware over here, and you have more hardware over here, and you have your USB-C cable over here, and you have your hook right there, sticker, and quick start guide. So there we have it. There's your eufy E340 camera right here. Eufy, oh yeah.